third block penny boat challenge. I've got a large class, A, B, C, D, E, and F groups. All right, let's start off with just putting your boat in the water and making sure that floats. Okay, make sure we got a lot of floaties here.
I think mine's gonna lose.
Everyone's floating. Okay, we're all floating, floating, floating. Okay. Now, we're gonna add 1 penny at a time. So when you add that 1 penny, wait a second before you put the next penny in, and then count your pennies as you're putting them in. And the penny that sinks it, you're not gonna count that penny. So if I count 1 and it floats, count 2 and it floats, count 3 and it sinks, how many pennies floated? 2, correct. Okay, go ahead. You may go ahead.
One penny and mine's gonna sink. Yep.
Keep going.
It's synced. I know Chanel let Carson create this.
It's okay. It's no big deal because now you know what not to do. So when y'all do
Not
your
let Carson do
redesign,
it.
not like Carson. When you do your redesign, you will have a better idea. Okay, we got a square boat here. How many pennies so far, Naima? 7. Okay. How many, Taylor?
7.
You got 7. Samaj, back up. Don't breathe on it. Angel, how many pennies?
15.
You got 15 so far? Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh, we sunk.
You made.
So 15 and it sunk?
Almost had 9.
You put your whole fist inside.
We had 15.
9. Okay. We got 3 sunk and 3 still floating. Taylor, Naima, and Naylin, y'all are doing a great job. Still going. How many is that, Naylin?
You was
I was gonna wait till a seat and then take away 1 and then count the rest.
Well, I guess you'll have to do that now. That's not what the directions were.
18.
Oh, all right. So 18 dropped it. So it floated with 17. All right, Naima, what are you up to?
The water getting in.
Don't touch it too much.
Mine's about to drown. Come on, buddy. I believe in you.
This is not a race. You do not have to hurry, but I see the water. All right. How many did you get in there, Naima?
17.
17? Okay. Yeah. Well, no, you can leave it. Just leave it in there, Zoe. Y'all leave them in there. Get your hands back.
Ours got a hole in it. How many is yours?
That's a lot of pennies.
All right. How many did yours? Okay. I want each. Excuse me.
Yes.
I want everyone to go ahead and recount those pennies. If you have 18, you're going to subtract 1, and that's the penny that sunk it. And let's see who had the most. Samaj, go back to your seat. I've already asked you to get your hands out of the water. This is Angel's doing this.
It's 0. Because it's sunk.
You got 1 in before it sunk.
Well, but no, it sunk as soon as I put 1 in.
I'm sorry.
I can't work with Carson.
Okay.
This is hard life.
Samaj, it's really hard when you don't follow directions. I need you to sit.
Layla won.
I have 14.
17.
We had made it.